In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the header and footer on your Squarespace site. Whether you're looking to make your website's design truly unique or simply want to match your brand's aesthetics, customizing the header and footer can make a significant impact. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to navigate to your Squarespace site. Once you're there, you'll see various elements that you can interact with. For now, let's focus on the header. Simply click on your header, and you'll be prompted with several options. This is where we begin to make our customizations. Now, click on Edit Site Header. This option will allow you to directly access and modify the header's design. Once you're inside, you'll notice a button labeled Edit Design. Go ahead and click on the Edit Design button to reveal a suite of design options specifically curated for the header. At this stage, click on Design. Here you can customize various aspects like fonts, logos, and the overall layout. This section empowers you to make changes that reflect your brand's unique style. If you want to tinker with colors, proceed by selecting Color. This option lets you adjust the color palette of the header to ensure it perfectly aligns with your website's theme. Next, you have the option to Add Elements. This feature is fantastic for adding new navigation links, images, or even a search bar that can enhance your site's functionality and aesthetics. Feel free to explore and decide what additional elements might be useful for your visitors. Once you're satisfied with the header, it's time to scroll down and focus on the footer. Just like with the header, click on Edit Site Footer to access the related customization tools. You'll again see the Edit Section button. Click on it to bring up options for modifying the footer's design. Upon clicking Design within the footer settings, you'll be presented with tools to adjust typography, spacing, and overall layout. This is your opportunity to ensure that the footer supports the rest of your page design while fulfilling its role with relevant links and information. Moving along, click on Background to control the visual aspects of the footer's backdrop. This option is critical if you aim to ensure that text and other elements in the footer stand out. Similarly, selecting Colors within the footer menu will grant you control over the color scheme, allowing for a cohesive look across your site. When you're ready to add additional features or content to the footer, click Add Block. This function enables you to incorporate different types of content blocks such as text, images, or social links to provide visitors with quick access to important information. Finally, once all your adjustments are complete, click Submit. This action ensures that all the modifications you've made are securely applied to your site. And there you have it! Your Squarespace header and footer are uniquely tailored to fit your style, enhancing both the look and usability of your website. Thank you for watching, and happy customizing!